This pair can connect to your brain and help you stay focused. Let me explain. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of Collector Finds. Tara, i-unbox na natin. So this is the Nike Mind 001. Nakikita natin dito yung box. Merong fit diagram dito. This is for athletes talaga na ginawa, and meron din dito Nike Science Department kasi nga scientifically proven na nakakapag-help sa'yo maging more calm. Focus natin dito sa tissue paper. Ayan, meron pa rin fit diagram. Bakit nga ba nagiging calm? Ito na ang dahilan. Dahil sa bottoms dito, which are the nodes. So kapag inapak mo siya, mas mafe-feel mo yung ground even better kasi alam mo how functional it is kapag pinindot mo siya. So parang every step talaga would connect to your brain. These nodes can help you activate sensory areas in your brain. Actually, meron pala tong tatlong colorways and pakita ko lang in detail sa inyo kung ano yung itsura nito. So here, there's a silver swoosh. The insole is the Nike Mind. And here, Science Department. Then here, the Nike plate logo. Meron din siyang parang breathable mesh here para mas comfortable siya, hindi siya mainit suotin. So for the second colorway, it's the Solar Red colorway. Ito yung tsura niya. Actually, my favorite is the last one. Pagka pinkish siya, pinkish red, I would say. And very similar lang naman. Ganun pa rin. Nike Mind, nakalagay dito sa insole, and the Mind Science Department. And breathable mesh here. So proceed na tayo sa pinakamagandang colorway. Now for the last colorway, which is my personal favorite, is the triple black colorway. Tara, focus natin dito. Napaka-classy ng dating ng pagka-black niya kasi meron lang naman siyang silver swoosh here, and talagang napaka-ganda ng blend ng silver Nike plate here sa black. So parang nga siyang Cybertruck nga daw kung tawagin yung itsura ng Nike Mind 001. For me, this is my personal favorite colorway. As for the sizing pala, this is snug fit. So I'm personally size 10. I went to one size up, which is 11. Mas comfortable ang fit ko doon. So 3 colorways na meron si Nike Mind. And actually, ang naalala ko dito is yung Japanese slippers. Parang ganito din siya, di ba? May mga bilog-bilog din. As for the sizes, this is available in men's and women's sizing. Pero the bad news is hindi mo na to makikita sa mga retail stores. But the good news, meron to si Collector Finds. Kaya kung gusto mo nito, make sure i-message mo na sila.